If this is the first time that you're watching any of my videos, my name is Ashley Romay, and I normally post product reviews, but I will be posting some crafting videos pretty soon as well. One of the things that I like about the phone is how easily it fits in my hand, but the thing that I like the least is that I had to change my charger. They give you a little sticker, some warranty information, and then they also give you a tool to remove a SIM card if you need to put anything in and take out an old one. And then I got this case from Five Below. I wasn't really sure about it at first. I honestly didn't pay too much attention to the actual design of it. I ended up liking it anyways, and I'm still using it 2 weeks later. The setup was pretty straightforward. It's what you would normally see getting a new iPhone. You have to go through your privacy, set up Face ID, any agreements, connecting your apps and data from a previous phone, just the usual stuff. This was the most frustrating part of the process. It kept telling me, oh, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 2 minutes. And I kept having to tap the screen. Every time that I left my phone by itself and didn't touch the screen, it would turn black and lock itself. And then I'd have to restart the restore process again, and it took, I want to say, about 45 minutes for it to completely finish. Other than that, I'm really happy with the phone, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.